Hello guys, this is a solution for assignment 4 of Foundation of Computational Fluid Dynamics. The question number 1 is, for a regular structure grid, which of the following statement is true? The correct answer is each interior cell is connected to the same number of neighbors. Question number 2, in the case of quake scheme near the boundary, an extra node is assigned called mirror node. Yes, this is correct statement. Pick the correct statement from the option given below. Central approximation scheme is unable to identify the direction of flow. Yes. Central approximation scheme always give equal weightage to neighboring nodal values. Yes, both statements are correct. Then answer will C. Find the scheme would be most appropriate for fluid with density, velocity, length, domain discussed with the grid, 100 cell diffusion coefficient are given. C. If Peclet number is less than 2, then correct answer is most appropriate scheme is central approximation. If Peclet number is greater than 2, then correct answer is pure upbind scheme. So we find out Peclet number from the given information. The Peclet number comes out is equal to 1. Then the appropriate method is central approximation method. Okay. How to find out Peclet number, we will see it in question number 8. Correct answer is central approximation scheme. 5. If the flow is from left to right, then the pure upbind scheme using nodal values. Correct answer is AP. If fluid is right to left, then correct answer is AE. Okay. In this question, correct answer is first. Question number 6. Find the order of central scheme. Order of central scheme is 1. Question number 7. Matching. Central scheme APAE. Central scheme APAE R3. Pure upbind scheme RAE. Quick scheme APAE AEE. Then the correct answer is C. L1 R3, L2 R3, L3 R1. Find the Peclet number. The correct answer is 6. We can find out Peclet number. PE is equal to convective flux rho U upon gamma upon del X. Convective flux upon diffusive flux. Gamma is diffusion coefficient given, rho given है, U velocity 36 meter per minute, and del X is equal to length upon grid cell 1/10. It is del X. So we can calculate it. The correct answer is 6. Question number 9. Find the order of the pure upbind scheme which evaluates the variable value at the west face to equal the values at west node. Order of pure upbind scheme is also 1. Correct answer is first. Question number 10. Guys, it is still unsolved. Please, if you solve it, please comment here. Okay, thank you.